Most people's smartphones these days are full of sensors that can characterize how they're moving, how they're interacting with their phone and so forth. And this revolution and all these new technologies are all now coming into the clinic. So current clinical practice only allows us to see the patients during visits. We only see that one day, that small period of time where they're actually standing in front of the clinician, but we're missing out on their everyday life. And so this is really where unobtrusive sensors come in. It helps us understand how their disease is affecting them on all those other days of the month. We work with wearable sensors, which would be affixed to the patient's body. We work with static sensors, so for example cameras or other motion detectors that might be deployed in a clinic, in a controlled environment. So we'll take that raw data and we will then use algorithms to extract specifically, for example, steps and to annotate those steps with how fast they were, left, right, and then further from that really derive something that's then interpretable. So for example, gait symmetry or overall walking behavior. A lot of our work started in musculoskeletal conditions, so this is muscle wasting diseases, frailty disease, diseases of old age. But what we've been working on over the last year or so is explore some of the synergies between, let's say, musculoskeletal diseases and neurological conditions. There's a lot of research that shows that in diseases like Parkinson's, the way in which you walk under certain conditions are influenced by your cognitive ability. And so we're exploring tests to look at how patients can handle cognitive burden as a measurement of cognitive decline. The technology landscape is evolving extremely fast, and we're really, in many situations, no longer limited by our ability to generate and capture data. But in clinical settings, it's really our ability to interpret that data and ultimately help teams make decisions. And decisions means, are our medicines affecting our patients' daily lives? Is it helping us understand their disease? Is it helping us design our strategies going forward? And this is really where we hope that this evolving sensor landscape is going to help us.